To fix the Instagram highlight loading problem, start by opening the Instagram application and navigating to your profile icon, located at the bottom right corner. From there, click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Proceed to the Account Center. Scroll down and click on the About option. Next, select App Updates and ensure that the two required buttons are toggled on. If they are not, simply click on them to activate. If this step does not resolve the issue, try heading to your mobile phone settings, searching for Apps and selecting the Instagram application from the list. Open the application info page for Instagram. Click on Storage, then select Clear Cache and Clear Data, confirming that the Instagram data is deleted from your phone to refresh the application. If the problem persists, visit the Play Store, search for Instagram, and update the application to the latest version. Once the update is complete, open Instagram and log into your account again to see if the issue has been resolved. By following these steps, the Instagram highlight loading problem should be solved.